Okay, so now we're going to learn the rear hook, or the number 6 in our punch system. So now everything is the same way, Henry, stand on this side. The same way that you throw that cross is the same way we're gonna throw that hook. The rotation in the body looks exactly the same. The hip is forward, the toe is turned, and the shoulder is also forward. We're just changing the angle of the punch. And remember, the way we did the hook on the other side is because I'm here, right? So it's the same idea. Now you're just turning inward to try to get on the inside of that. We're going to use our momentum. It still always comes from, just throw it shadow boxing. It always comes from in the forward motion so that we can get extra power on that shot. And this is typically something that's going to be done when you're really close to the bag. Closer to the bag, there's less room for error. We can throw a nice, strong right hook. That's how you throw a rear hook.